Hey, Garf, you Garf.
Adopt me!
I'm not gonna say it!
Why won't you adopt me?
Because you're black!
You have no limbs. Look at this belly. It's so chunky. I'm so sorry.
Favorite chocolate chip cookies to the dessert menu.
You cannot have it. Please give it back.
We're going to do that.
Let it go. Say hi to everybody. Hi. Hello. Hi. 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 Hi.
Zeus, hi. What are these creatures, huh?
Are you the pricklier one? Somebody told me you were the pricklier one. What do you have to say to that?
Mas é pra... Olha, é bravinho, mãe, mas é fofinho. É, mas que braveza é essa, mamãe? Oh, meu Deus.
Hello. No! No!
No idea what normal for the young cat.
Oh my god, what is that? Oh my god! What is that?
Huh?
I don't like it at all. No. No.
So you must go.
Ziegler makes it back to his feet. Is he going to deliver? Sweet. Oh, the claw!
to sit here and chit chat with you. But I gotta go.
No, you can't have bacon. No, no bacon. No. Stop trying to go. No. No.
Look at that. He's tall. He's a tall man. He was a nickel when I kidnapped him from his mother.
Well, now that you mention it, there was one.
Hey, yo, what are you looking at? Sexy cats? Bro, you're not old enough. Take the bottle instead.
You're not helping. You're not being very emotional.
Hey, what's up? Hey, what's up?
Really? Really, Cat? Seriously?
Get it, Chalabo! Get it, Chalabo!
Damn me up. Oh!
God, I'm gonna get rid of every one of you. This is pathetic. No, this isn't what a screen is for. Look at all this.
Then my head hit the wall.
Он вообще...
Agatha. Can I clean the toilet now? There's other sunny places.
S.
What? Really? Really?
And yoink.
Come.
No, no.